Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to add credit card to iPhone. So first of all, we need to open our settings, right? And here you will see in your settings and all that, you gotta scroll a little bit down until you find App Store and Wallet and Apple Pay. So we're gonna click the second option, and as you can see right here, I already added two of my credit cards. So I'm gonna just go ahead and add credit card. Okay, and here you will see two options: debit or credit card or transit card. So it's different from user to user. Some people ask them state ID, some of them, just like me, debit card or credit card or transit card. So for the sake of the video, let's proceed with the debit or credit card. And here it says add credit or debit or store card to Apple Pay to make sure payments in apps and web and store using NFC. So I'm gonna just continue, and you're gonna just take a screenshot of this card, or you can just enter the details card manually and just proceed, and you will wait until they authorize or make a contact to your card to verify that this is a legit card. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.